How to change the theme song in Doomsday Last Survivor. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you're looking for a way to change the theme song in Doomsday Last Survivor, then you can easily find it in the game settings. First of all, launch open the Doomsday Last Survivor game on your device, and once you're inside the game, you'll get to hear a theme song. And once you're inside the game, go to the top left corner and tap on the profile avatar. After you're in, go to the settings button on the left bottom of the screen, and inside settings, scroll down and tap on DLS theme song. Now you'll be able to see songs options. Currently there are only two in my case. If you have got many, you can just select that and you'll be able to change the theme song in Doomsday Last Survivor. So that's how you easily change your theme song in Doomsday Last Survivor. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.